This video shows how to create Roblox-compatible avatars using MetaPerson Creator. First, open the MetaPerson Creator webpage. To generate an avatar, select and upload a photo. Choose the avatar gender, enable Roblox-ready, and click Generate. Your avatar is now ready. It uses the Roblox R15 rig and topology. You can pick a generated haircut or make the avatar bald so you can apply different hair later in Roblox Studio. Export the model as an FBX file and download it to your computer. Open Roblox Studio and either open an existing experience or create a new one from a template. Import the downloaded FBX model. If you don't want to upload the model to your Roblox account, uncheck Upload to Roblox. Leave the other settings at their defaults. The model is added to the scene. Adjust its position as needed. In the Avatar Setup window, you can dress the avatar. Try available shirts. Choose the pants you would like your character to wear. Select a pair of shoes to apply. Pick a haircut to give your character a unique look. To apply configured assets to the model in the scene, click the Test in Experience button. While the experience is running, copy the applied clothing and haircut assets from the StarterCharacter. Then paste them onto the model in the scene after the experience is stopped. Now the model is dressed. You can optionally rename it to StarterCharacter and move it under Starter Player in the Explorer if you want this model to be used as the player's character. Give it a try and create your own custom models. If you run into any issues or have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching!